Today, we're going to explore the powerful features of the Facilities section, where you can effortlessly navigate and access critical information for each of your facilities. Let's get started. Here, you'll find a detailed list of all your facilities neatly arranged. To quickly find a specific facility, simply use the intuitive search bar. The search bar allows you to swiftly locate the facility you're interested in. Now, take a look at the top of the screen. Here, you can easily view your compliance status, device count, and the number of open jobs at that location, keeping you informed and in control of your facility's performance. But there's more. If you need to delve deeper into the specifics of that facility, click on the facility name. Here, you'll find details such as your facility manager, operating hours, and even upcoming holidays. Everything you need to know about your facility's schedule and operations, conveniently displayed in one place. And as we continue scrolling down, you'll discover a comprehensive list of documents associated with that facility. You can even view specific devices, jobs, and tasks associated with your facility areas. No more searching through stacks of paperwork. UptimeHealth keeps everything organized, ensuring you have quick access to the information you need when you need it.